Communication is a very important term. It means to communicate with either one person or a group or maybe an audience. Communicating is very important. It means you are expressing your thoughts in front of someone. If you are unable to speak, if you are unable to understand what the other person is speaking, if you are unable to read, if you are unable to write, you will not be able to stand in front of the crowd, or you will not be capable enough to survive in a workplace. Communication skills are very important, and trust me, communication skills are not taught in a school education. It only comes from within. These are your interpersonal skills. These skills make you more decisive in nature. These skills arise and awaken an enthusiasm within you to do something new. These skills help you to become more competent, productive, and an useful asset for the company or for the better future wherever you work in. These skills are very important. Usually, we say that communication is all about reading, listening, writing, and speaking. But trust me, students, communication is beyond this. It is a medium of expression that helps you to understand and comprehend the language in an easy way. If you are unable to do this, it becomes very difficult for you to understand and sustain yourself in the workplace. I am bringing forward a unique methodology that can help you boost your lost communication skill. You can follow a concept which is named as step by step approach, an approach towards improving your communication skills. It's very important for you to plan, set a goal, analyze, comprehend the language and implement it practically during the sessions or in your regular routine. If you do not do that, or if you do not have a certain criteria to fulfill this, it will become very difficult for you to regain your lost confidence.